Hi, I'm Brian Hartman, and today we're going to learn a little bit about hydroponics. You may have heard of it before. It may be a trendy term, but really hydroponics is the process of growing plants without soil. Now there's many different types, but when we think about hydroponics, it's about aquaculture. So today we'll learn about different types of aquaponic systems and talk through the steps of building one yourself. So right here, I have my tote. We have made our own little hydroponic system, but we have two ways of creating it. Using traditional hydroponics or aeroponic system. Let's go take a look over in a second what ours looks like over here. This is one hydroponic system we have going today. We have our container that has a styrofoam tray on top with holes that are cut out for the plants to go in. This is a great example of how lettuce or other plants may be grown. And the reason this is a true hydroponic system is this tray is actually floating on water. And you will see there's a pump in the bottom of it and a bubbler to keep the air flowing to oxygenize the water. And this water is nutrient rich, meaning it has all the nutrients that a plant may need to survive or grow. This is a different type of system where the plants are growing these small cups in these chambers. As you can see here, they are actually suspended where there's a pump in there that sprays the liquid on the plant roots. Let's take a look on the inside of it. You can see we have a pump going in there that is spraying where the roots would be going. It's a pretty unique system. Now, after you've seen the different types of systems that we're going to show, here's a few of the tools you may need. You will need a drill of some sort to drill through your lid, as you see here, an attachment to make these nice holes in the top of the lid. Some of the other items you may need are nice little hydroponic baskets that are growing with a media cube on the inside of them. We also have a pump that we'll use to pump our water or aerate our system. Now, depending on the system, you may have a float tray or a PVC spray system where small holes are drilled, little emitters are installed to spray the nutrients on the roots. So that is a quick run through on hydroponics. Hydroponics are a great way to grow if you have limited space, live in an apartment, or maybe just want to try something unique on growing fresh food. Until next time, Brian Hartman, talk to you later.